डोंट यू अग्री विथ दॅट की असेसमेंट पॅटर्न चेंज जाला, त्याच बरोबर हो जो दिसांचो मुद्दो आसा, आय विल गो टू सावियोबाब ऑल्सो ऑन दॅट, की आमी एप्रिला भितर वर्किंग डेज आशिल्ले पण इन्स्ट्रक्शनल डेज आसनाशिल्ले, ते आमकां आज इन्स्ट्रक्शनल डेसा भितर कन्वर्ट करपाची गरज आहा, हो तांचो आर्ग्युमेंट.
So the main thing is we've spoken to a lot of 9th standard parents, like because NEP was introduced for the 9th standards, stating that it's a board exam. So if you see their format of how they have done their plan, and with the bridge course starting and explanation and everything, the parents have informed us that they had no problem at all. They finished their whole course. On top of that, they did extra hours. How? Because many vocational subjects were not available at the school. So children had to go extra hours, 2 to 4 twice a week, to a center to complete those hours. I have seen children from Pancham city go to a center and do. So there are additional hours also which has been accumulated, and they have completed their whole process in their full academic year. So our question is, now NEP is getting introduced to the 6th standard, who are little children, what age of I think so 10, 11 years old, whose time is actually to learn new skill sets, to learn creativity, to explore, because education is not just about books, but it's about overall development. That means your sports, music, dance, singing, theater, baking, gardening, whatever the children want. And that most of the parents, because of the constraint of the studies, they tell all the children that during your summer break you can go and enjoy whatever you want. But suddenly on the 31st of January, children have got a shock of their lives, and today they can't study because 20th and 29th they are finishing their exams of March, and it was told that 1st of April they are starting their exams.
No, that's why, Cecil, I asked you
how
before I go to Savyabab, is this a question of this particular year, or this is a problem of every year?
There was no problem, because NEP has just been introduced for the 9th standard.
No,
If
will this problem be there next year also? That's what I'm asking.
No, there won't be a problem. It's a smooth transition, and this time, if you see, the board exams, instead of happening in April, have been preponed. And the reason
So you are okay with this happening next year?
Of what happening next year?
Is academic year starting in April?
No, because why is the need to happen?
Okay.
So main thing is, see, just because Delhi has summers in their mid-May and June, they get those breaks. Why are we following a process of, we can choose our own, because NEP doesn't say that you need to start in April.
Okay.
We can plan for ourselves.
सावेबाब ताणी सांगले की कशे करेन ते दिसांकडेन पळयता आनी ते दिसांचे गणित पळयता ते, आणि एक्चुअली जरी सर्क्युलर असले तरी ऑन ग्राउंड हे इन्स्ट्रक्शनल डेज इतलेच उरतात आणि वर्किंग डेज इतली जातात म्हणून. हाऊ डू यू रिस्पॉन्ड टू दॅट?
सर, ते 220 डेज जाताच, 242 डेज आहात, हे हेडमास्टर्स असोसिएशनाचोच हें सांगता. 220 डेज जायना म्हणटा पळय ते, बाय 6th April is what is said to be the day when we have to finish 220 days. The remaining 20 days are assessment days. So in 220 plus 20 assessment days for the teacher to correct and do the work and there is CPD now, continuous professional development, which 50 hours teacher has to do, which can be done with in those days. When will teacher do it? All training should be done in the month of April.
दो साहेब, वो ह्याच वर्षाचो प्रश्न काय, वो प्रत्येक वर्षाचो प्रश्न?
प्रत्येक वर्षाचो प्रश्न आसतलो. आनीक तो अजून सरान म्हाका सांगूना टायम 1200 वरां खंयसान येयली. NCFान 1200 वरां ना. 1200 वरां ना. 1045 for secondary and 955 hours for middle stage, that is 6 to 8.
Okay.
And this includes vocational education, which is optional, आणि optional हे एप्रिलान घालपाक जाता.
Okay.